Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the travel slow-mo trend video on TikTok. So as you can see, it's currently playing the video in a normal mode, and then it'll suddenly move into slow motion. So let me show you how to create this video trend on TikTok using Capcut. So before we start, for this trend video, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download that. Once that's downloaded, you want to go back to TikTok. Here you're searching for Travel Slow-Mo Capcut. Now in the search results, you'll see all the videos that are doing the trend. So for example, this one here and this one. Now within those videos, you're looking for this button here, Capcut Try This Template. This will appear just above the username, so if you see it, go ahead and tap on it. This will now show you the template which you're going to use, so go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. This will open up Capcut and will show you the template again, so go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now here you want to go ahead and select a video from your phone library. Of course, this video needs to have some motion in it, so make sure it does. So for example here, then tap on Preview. So now it will create the video for you, and it also includes the sound in it as well. So once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on Add Sound in TikTok at the top right. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. And as I said before, this video includes sound, so you don't need to add anything. Now here you can go ahead and add stickers, text, or any effects, and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go. That is how to create your travel slow-mo trend video on TikTok. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.